Hi! Hello everyone! Bago tayo mag-start sa ating journey pa Pinas, ibuksan muna, come here JJ, ibuksan muna natin itong regalo ni ate kay hindi madala sa Pilipinas kay medyo ano na talaga ako ba ang aking baggage. Medyo ang baggage natin is puno. So, thank you sa Dayan.
Thank you.
Who's excited to open? Hindi, buksan muna natin ito. So, buksan na namin ito, ate. Oni, thank you. Sige, look at them, daddy. Wow! Oh my gosh, honey. What's this? Everybody's shocked. Wow! It's a lot of, it's the Baker. A lot of the Baker perfumes. Bath and Body Collection, daddy. Nah, I was buying my Bath and Body. Maybe I'll take this one. Thank you, Te. Hala, uy, ang dami. Wow, what's inside? Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, we open.
I already know.
Ang ganda naman ito, ate Uni. Uy.
I don't know. Open it.
Like that, slide it. Wow. Look at the box, honey.
I can actually.
Look.
Oh my gosh. Beautiful.
Wait. Jenny. Wow.
Oh, wow.
I know. Wow, ang bango ng Ted Baker. Oh, ang kid. Yeah, ang bango. So nice smell.
By the way, you sing that.
Maganda ito na brand eh, yung Ted Baker.
Look.
So we have, we need to take care of this box. Oh, it's so nice.
Mommy.
Yes.
Alcohol.
Alcohol. Bubble bath. Ayan, may bubble
That's
bath.
mine.
Meron tayong body wash. Ang laki ng body wash.
By the way,
Jenny.
smell it.
Wow, look at this. Look at hand wash. Honey, it's very social, the hand wash, honey.
Yeah.
Ted Baker hand
But I
wash.
need to wash my hands. I need to wash my hands.
Luxury, mani. Oy, it's luxury, Ate Oni. And Kuya Peter, thank you. Thank you, Ate Oni and Kuya Peter. Body spray. Oh,
Wait.
hala, may body spray.
Is that? Calm down.
Ang bango. Body spray.
You're so lucky.
Hala,
The
honey, it's so nice.
Mommy, dude. Then the mold it. Can
Melt it.
What's the one you got today for your brother and sister? That's the same brand.
Yeah, Ted
Mommy,
Baker.
Can I put this on my hand?
Yeah. That's for hand soap.
But I want to wash my hands.
Si Jenny.
Can I?
Busy kay si Jenny
I
ay.
want to wash my hands.
Okay, wash your hands.
Okay, wait.
Upstairs, oy. This one, ano to? Hand cream?
Why's that not working?
Hand cream. May pa-hand cream ang poor hand ni Nail Jen. Wow, this is hand cream. So, mag-prepare na tayo, oy. Kaya mag-uwi na ng Pilipinas. Uwi na ang Pilipinas. Who's excited? Me. Pero ang mga mukha parang hindi excited. Hindi, JJ, oh, hindi ko makita.
How do you open this?
Huh?
How do you?
You have to twist it, anak. You have to twist
But I
it.
am twisting it.
So,
Yeah.
you should ask
Then
your
it's too
subscribers. Is
hard.
anybody interested
Then
to
it's
have wings
too
with
hard.
Too hard?
Yeah.
What's this?
It's too-
Body What's that? Body shuffle? What's that, honey? Wow. Ang dami ang laman. Ayan, lawak yung laman. Ang dami. Ay, you're washing your hands? Kanina pa ito sila makulit. What's that? Wow, what's that? Body wash. This one, body spray. Yeah? Wait, can we put it back here, Jenny? Okay, put that one back. Put that one back. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Morning. Good morning. Ready na si Inday? Ang ating isang Inday natutulog pa in tawon. Ito na talaga, guys. Yung ating
Can
inaantay.
I bring this in the car?
Uwi na, Pilipinas. Yeah, you bring that one. Si Inday, kahit ang ingay-ingay namin, wala. Oy, tulog pa rin siya. Oy, nakahag sa kanyang dog. Oh.
Mommy, I
Yes.
can't bring the big one.
What big one? This one?
Oh no, all of the big one because they.
No, you just leave it here, yeah? Sige na, magbabat. I will babat you.
I want
My mommy's ready, nearly ready now.
I want the only being this one.
Okay, okay.
Please, I want to show
Uwian na! Uwian na
I'll show
sa
everybody
Pilipinas! In the plane?
You show everybody in the plane.
Mm.
The dog.
The dog? Guys, ito na talaga. Mag-medyas muna ako si Inday. Paliguan ko muna. Nag-prepare na si Dudong dito ng aming mga pack lunch kay hindi na siguro kami kakain dito. So, lahat ng aking mga gamit, ito, naka-ready na ito para sa aming gagamitin. I'm so excited. Nanginginig si Inday ninyo as in. Nanginginig talaga ako. Palagi niya akong tinatanong kung excited na ba daw ako. Ako kasi na tao, hindi ako nag-adrenaline ba, ma-excite na diretso-diretso. Ilang buwan kasi namin itong tinago sa inyo. Matagal na kami nag-book ng ticket, matagal na talaga. Pero hindi namin sinabi sa inyo. Ngayon pa lang namin na-reveal na totoo na talaga. Ito na talaga. Ay, makikita ko na yung aking mga kapatid. Last time nagsabi ako sa inyo na nanginig lagi ako sa excitement. Last time nagsabi ako sa inyo, 9 years ko na silang hindi nakita since pumunta ako ng Thailand. Pero ngayon is mark 10 years na kasi umalis ako ng Thailand, umalis ako ng Philippines bago ako nag-birthday. So 21 pa lang ako noon. So 21, 20, 30 na ako soon. At 10 years na talaga. Magti-10, 21, 20 pa lang ako noon umalis. Hane?
I just dropped the yog in and opened.
No, don't bring that.
No, I just dropped it and the other one it opened on the floor.
Oh, I'll eat that one then. That's my breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want this or no? Your breakfast. So, nandito na yung ating
I'll
mga
take these
bag.
with us.
Yeah.
Ayan, nandito na ating mga bagahe. So, ready na yan. Ano naman yun? Ready na yan siya. Ready na yan siya. Lahat ng mga gamit, lahat ng mga laptop kagabi. Busy talaga ako kagabi. Sabi nitong isa, mag-movie muna tayo, manood. So, ayun na nga, 9 years. So, 10 years ko na silang hindi nakita. Mark this month. This month talaga kasi ito yung month na parang umalis ako. Malayo na ako sa kanila. Pero, nung pumunta ako ng Thailand, nagstay pa kasi ako ng Manila. Marami pa akong ganap na ginawa bago ako umalis talaga ng Pilipinas. Pero it marks 10 years na talaga na hindi ko sila nakita. Yung aking papa, yung aking kapatid. Naiiyak naman ako noon. Naiyak ako kaya hindi nila alam na uuwi ako. So, excited ako na, excited kami na i-surprise sila. At I hope na ma-surprise talaga sila. Kaya wala silang alam. Si mama, merong alam si mama sa plan. Kasi lahat ng plano, kami ni mama talaga yung gumawa. Kami lahat na nagplano, si mama. At saka yung ibang mga taong na-involved na makikita nyo sa mga vlog. At madami kayong aabangan. I hope na manood kayo sa ating ganap sa Pilipinas. In the Elgin. Honey, I'm shaking.
Oh, good.
Oh, good. Let's eat my yogurt. That will be my breakfast. Wow! At least meron tayong sunlight. Kasi palagi talagang umuulan. Nanginginig ako. Saan naman si Inday? Uy, alam nyo ba kanina? Nag-prepare yung isa dyan. Maaga akong nakapag-bihis. Si Inday, Jessica at Jenny na lang yung bibihisan ko.
What do you want to drink, Mommy? What do you want for drinks?
I want to drink, Daddy. I'm okay with this. I'll just brush my teeth dayon. Siya, nakaligo na. Sabi niya, hindi ko daw siya tinabihan kagabi. I didn't sleep with her. Nagdala na siya ng aming pack lunch doon. Ang aking medyas, nasira. Isa lang itaw ni medyas ni Inday. Oy, doon ako magbili ng mumurahin. At ito lang. Ayan. Pakapin pa ito sa binili ko kay Wayne ata. Ito yung aking gagamitin. Magsapatos lang ako. Kainin ko lang itong aking breakfast. Ito yung day ng ating paglalakbay papuntang Pilipinas. Charot lang yun si Inday. Kagabi pa ako, oy. Umiyak ako, tumawag si mama kahapon. Kahapon kasi hindi na ako nag-vlog ng buo talagang vlog. So, umiyak na ako kahapon. Kasi, yung mga kapatid ko, ako talaga yung nag-alaga sa kanila. Simula nung nagpunta na ako ng Thailand, hindi ko na talaga yan sila nakita since pumunta ako ng Thailand. Kaya sobrang excited ko makita talaga sila. And imagine, nakita ko sila, wala pa akong anak. Ngayon, meron na kaming anak ni Ayin. So, si Albert na lang, yung nurse namin, wala pa siyang anak, ay nag-eskwela pa man tog nursing. I'm gonna attend you. Bisan ko na si Inday. Honey, you take me picture and kids there in the suitcase with me. No, later na. I prepare JJ. JJ, kanina. Si Jenny, tulog-tulog pa. Para talaga to siyang walang lakad. Jenny! Hala ka, kalami siyang tulog talaga. Di ka biyahin na? Kaluoy, ani, uy. Yung bulaklak na bigay ni Ate Oni, nandito pa. Ang isa, wala pa din. Tulog pa din. Walang alam si Inday, sabi niya, what are you doing? Oopsie, sorry. Kailangan kong bihisan si Inday. Prepare na talaga tayo nito. Wait sa, mommy will do it. Jessica, don't tease her. Ito namang isa, sulugan tayo ka. Gawin ko muna yung aking buhok, yes? Okay, toilet first then. Come. Ay, naku. Wala nang alam ang Ate Inday. Na ganito ako kay para ano lang ba? Very comfortable lang siya. Teka. Itong aking ganito. Ito, ilagay. Ayan, dalhin ko na lang to ba? Ilagay ko. Nag-worry ako kay baka yung aking buhok. Sobrang init naman sa Pilipinas. Baka sobrang mag-ano lang talaga ako. Hindi na ako magawa ng aking buhok. Pero dadalhin ko na lang to. Baka meron tayong simba yun. Magsimba. So, madami tayong ganap na abangan sa Pilipinas. So, ito, hindi ko na ito i-luggage. I-check-in na lang itong mga ganito siguro. I hope makasiya pa ito, no? Kaya medyo madami yung dala natin. Teka. Habang mag-antay ako kay Jessica, nag-jacket na. Wala, hindi na kami nag-umagahan. Ipasok ko na lang ito. JJ, get your socks upstairs, cow. Lang, dali kay mommy will help you. Si Inday. Ayaw niya magpalagay na. Yay! Oh, yay talaga. Si Inday. Si Jenny, wala pa dito. Okay.
When you come back, you have to adjust the steering wheel and the seat because I just put it all to mine.
I hope it will fit.
Squeeze it inside, won't you?
Yeah. Here?
Yeah. Find a lump.
My thing
Yeah,
there.
it's makeup, isn't it?
How about this one? Here.
I think you can do that. Check in.
Sure?
I'm not sure, no. I know it was like you're allowed makeup, but only like not major. But it's just personal makeup, isn't it? Ladies must have makeup in their handbags, Molly. Mustn't they?
Wait, I need to. Giving this to mom. Galing ka, Tioni. Give this to my mom. Jenny?
Ready? Want to go pee-pee?
No.
Go pee-pee.
Is that it? No, I'll change her.
Make sure she goes to the toilet.
Yeah, I'm gonna change her now. It's not gonna fit, is it? Gonna fit? Nabili pa kasi ako ng mga Nutella ba. There you go. Thank you, honey. So, ilock lang natin ito.
Mommy, close it. Close it, Mommy.
Yeah, wait, Salah. Why it's not gonna reach now, Daddy? Why it's not locking? Oh, does it need to be that number?
6 it.
Bright na lang Inday. Uy. There you go. So, it's ready. Jenny, come upstairs. Si JJ, oh. JJ, come. Hello? What? Unsa man ka? Dali na.
I don't want.
Gising na ang ating Inday. Nabihisan ko na siya. Ganito pala pag excited tayo, no? Manginig talaga. Ito lang yung gamitin ko na jacket. I hope hindi ito malagyan ng... Unsa mag-hyper ba ni mo, Inday?
Where's Daddy and JJ?
Daddy is upstairs. JJ is, I think, in the car. Jessica! I hope hindi malagyan ito ng foundation.
But she's looking at the car.
Ayan, maganito lang ako. Yung aking pinambili, may ganito din si Ayen. Kambi, oh, you're bringing your book? Ayaw ayaw niyo magpamidyas. Ayan, okay na itong invite. Jenny, dali, I make your hair. Wow, so pretty naman akong baby. Bye. Jenny, come quickly. Nandun pa yung dalawa kong bag. Hindi pa nadala rin sa sasakyan. Teka. Ito na lang yung kulang ko medyas. Ang alis namin is 8 o'clock yung aming alis dito. So, 4 hours pa yung biyahe namin papunta ng London Airport. Doon ako sa
Did I have a big
Heathrow magbiyahe. Ha? Ito na na. Baguing taon ito silang magising. Pink, yeah, I'm doing the pink. Hindi pa kami nag-umagahan. Nagdala na lang kami ng mga pack-lunch namin para yung mga bata pag magutom, anytime pwede silang kumain.
I'm bringing my book.
Ayo, you will read your book in the car? Si Inday. Yeah, please.
And I will bring the
So
dog.
you got your money, passport, and wallet in. Passport.
I will bring the dog too.
And your phone.
I might recheck that one. Yeah, my phone is still here.
What are you going to recheck? This one.
Yeah, the little one, my wallet.
Don't put it in my
I think it's there. I don't think I moved it last night.
Right. But it's nice to see it, love, before
What?
you set
Don't
off, isn't
put
it?
it in
Yeah.
my
Instead of thinking, oh God, yeah, I didn't
My
move it. I forgot.
Just like last night, I was...
Me and Craig, we was going to France,
Yeah.
and we was going on the train.
you
We
go.
got on the train. I said, you got your passport, do you? He said, oh, you need a passport, do you?
Oh no.
So
So
Craig,
he don't have
we
passport.
missed the ferry.
Oh no.
Because we had to go and get home off the thing and get his
And then you need
passport.
to rebook it again.
Then we had to rebook it again, yeah, for later one.
But at least ferry, you can rebook
Yeah.
the plane.
Yeah, no.
Once it miss, it's
You want a
missed.
jacket? It's going to be warm in the car, but we'll put a jacket in the boot, I think.
Yeah. Okay, I will recheck. You put this
Do you
in
have
the
this
boot.
jacket?
Are you having this on me?
Yeah, put
Do
it
you
in the
think
boot.
I need pick one too?
No.
Am I okay with that? Ika lang, mag-recheck muna tayo ng ating mga pinadala dito. So,
Oh.
ang paglalakbay sa Pilipinas, nagsisimula na. Oh, nagsisimula na. Nandito aking laptop, yung aking
Daddy, I
cellphone.
want my shoes.
Your shoes is there. Give it to mommy, be. Come. At least merong araw do kay palaging umuulan dito. Uy, excited. Jud ako excited. Din ba kayo para kay
Look
Inday?
at the purple ones.
Excited ako makita
Look
yung
at the
aking...
purple ones.
Do you? Makita ang aking kapatid. Yes, this wood. Kaya yung mga kapatid ko, ilang years din kami nagsama niyan. Kabataan pa, diba? Sinabi ko sa inyo dati na si mama nag-abroad ng Abu Dhabi, si papa, iniwan kami, pumunta siya ng, iwan ko ba, yung iba't ibang bahay. Ganun yung nangyari. Kaya ako talaga yung yung mama at papa ng aking mga kapatid. So, ilang years na talaga. 10 years, hindi naman ganun talaga ka super long. Pero para sa akin, sobrang long na yan. Kaya pag alis ko ng Thailand, single pa lang ako. Pagbalik, mayroon ng 2 mga anak. Wala na. Tapos hindi na nga ako umuwi. Galing Thailand, hindi na ako umuwi. 5 years yung Yes? Are you going now?
No, I need jacket.
Oh, jacket. It's in daddy. Kaya i-recheck ko lang ito. Ang ating mga passport. Na hindi makalimutan. Ang ganda ng bag na ito. Thank you, Gary, for this bag. Bigay ito ng friend ni Wayne sa work. Very organized siya talaga. So, nandito na yung aking... Saan kaya yung aking isang cellphone, no? Nandito ata. Ayan, nagdala ako ng panyo. O, ito, nandito ang aking mga cellphone. So, dito ko na lang din ilagay itong cellphone. So, dala ko din yung card ni Mami. Kaya doon ako mag-birthday. Si Inday ninyo, mag-birthday ako doon. Ito dito, lahat nandito na. Memory cards. Everything is chorbalo. Yung akin. So, sige. Okay na yan. Ay, ang wallet ko pala. Ang wallet, nandito yung aking wallet. Sabi ni Wayne, 8 o'clock yung aming alis. 7:52 pa lang dito. So, at least maaga-maaga tayo. Siya lang yung magdadrive. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-drive kasi wala pa. Hindi pa ako nakapasa ng aking test, pero yung aking theory,
All checked.
this one's done. Thank you. Okay. Saan na ba yun? So, ito. Baka nakalimutan mo, Inday, ha? Wala ka palang pang panty. Nandito yung ating card. Okay. Okay na. I'll just put my shoes. So, I'll put that one there with the lock.
The lock up? No.
No, my key is...
Lock up now.
Okay. I'm just put this. Uy, where my shoes is? Ready na talaga tayo, guys. Ito na talaga yung ating panimula ng paglalakbay papuntang Pilipinas. Naiiyak ako. Si Wayne kasi palagi man niya magtanong, excited ka ba? Excited? Sabi ko, hindi talaga ako madali ma-excited. Sabi ko, ma-excited lang ako pag that day na talaga. Lalo na yung minute namin sila mami at daddy doon sa Cornwall ba yun? Saan ba yun? Basta yung mga biyahe namin, wala talaga. Walang adrenaline. Pero tonight, kanina, parang sink in na talaga na. Uuwi na talaga ako ng Pilipinas. Na-excite ako the first time. Pero yung wait kasi, medyo matagal-tagal lagi. Kahit dugay na ako nag-book. Hindi ako nagsabi in advance. So, sinabi ko lang na, ayan, alisa na talaga. Wala na. Hala, teka lang, i-off ko lang ito. 7:53 na. Ay, naku. Ang aking mahiwagang ito. Hindi makailimutan. Bahalang parang itong basurahan. Ayan, okay na yan dyan. Yung mga lights. Naka-off na mga lights. Okay, sige na yung mga... Ang paglalakbay sa Pilipinas. Tara na, tara na. Si Wayne. Eh, hindi man ako ang mag-drive. Asan man ako magpunta? You want me to lock it? There. Give to me. Ang mga bata, ready na sila doon sa... Wala pa yung taon kang breakfast yung mga bata. Kaya ginising lang namin yan. Okay na na. Nalak talaga yan. Ayaw ko magbiyahe na. Baka punta na akong Pilipinas. Nasa Pilipinas, nag-isip pa rin. Hindi ba't siguro yung nalak yung bahay? Alright. Hello, you okay? Let's pray first, no? Guide us, dear Lord, sa aming biyahe. Are you hungry? You ask mommy and daddy later when you want to eat, okay?
It's in here.
It's in there?
But I don't want to eat.
Is it locked?
Yeah. Do you want to double check it?
You just put the key back in, did you?
Yeah. Do you want to check it first or?
No.
Yeah, okay now. I check it. I plug it like that. I did, no? I don't want lagi to go and then Tanawara. Tanawara, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Okay lock. Ang aga-aga pa kasi. Lock.
Yeah.
Yes, we're on. Ready!
Mummy,
Yes?
they're in there already.
Oh, they want to eat.
Should we get on the motorway first?
You want to
Can you
eat?
wait 5 minutes? Huh?
They can open it by themselves.
Can they?
Yeah.
Huh.
If you're hungry, Nak, just open it. Do you want it now? They're hungry because it's breakfast time.
Okay.
Just give them this. Which one you want? This chicken? This one. Maybe you won't like that.
Chicken
This
on
one
stick.
because you're used to this one.
You share it with Jenny.
Kumain na sila. Oy, hindi pa nakalarga. Oy. Wala pa kasi itong breakfast. Ginising na namin ito sila aga. Okay. Share it with Jenny. Put your stick here, okay?
I'm saving this one for later.
Okay. You can eat it all. How about you, honey? You didn't have
No, I'm alright.
coffee.
Okay.
Guide us, Lord, sa aming biyahe.
Should have bought some cold coffees and Morrison's, shouldn't I?
Yeah. Did you have drinks?
Yeah.
How about in Costa you bring
No,
one,
it's okay.
Head southeast on
Bye-bye! Bye-bye pa sa
then turn
UK.
right onto Elysia Crescent.
Bye-bye,
Turn left onto
UK.
East Dock Road, then turn left onto Usk Way.
Di man halata na. Huh?
Left.
Left. Unsa naman ka, honey? Oh my gosh. Hindi man halata na. Sobrang excited namin. Okay, videohin muna natin ito dito. Uy, kay medyo matagal-tagal talaga natin hindi ito makita yung ating kaning dito na daanan. Oh, dito magdadrive si Inday. Ay, nako.
Left onto Usk Way.
Hindi na
A4
talaga siya
road 4-2,
dampu.
then use the left 2 lanes to turn
Totoo.
left onto Southern Distributor Road.
Honey, it's not a dream anymore. It's
No,
happening.
It's happening now.
I'm so crying.
Starting to feel it now, you.
Yeah.
You're gonna just keep it hot.
You've been asking me many times. You excited? You excited?
I can't wait for
Excited?
you to get excited. Just nothing.
There's no excitement.
Give your brother and sister a hug.
Use the
Yeah.
left 2 lanes to turn left onto
See
Southern
you,
Distributor
Ayin.
Road.
See you, the
Spotty Road.
boy. See you. Hindi nyo alam ito.
Continue on Southern Distributor Road for 1 mile.
Hindi nila alam. So, sa mag-wonder, paano ma-surprise na makita naman sa vlog. Ito siya is parang malate na nang upload. Kay marami ako dibang na-upload na. Pero hindi pa siya na-publish. Kay late na nga. Kay marami akong absent. So, by the time makita ninyo ito, nakikita ko na ito. Nakita ko na yan sila. So, ayun, surprise pa din. Surprise pa din. Ay, naku. Ang agtang ni Inday, makauli na yun Pilipinas. Ang agtang na malaki. Ay, bye-bye UK. Bye-bye to my road. I always walking every day. Ay, kapi ni Inday. You see my adrenaline? Ay, bye-bye to the bridge. Are you okay, Nak? Nag-snack, nagkain na sila, oy. Sana all, pagkain-kain lang. Diba? Sana all, ang paglalakbay, kain-kain lang. Oh, hala ko. They're hungry, they honey. At least they won't be kuan. Hungry, no? I'm worried about you. You want some?
No, I'm fine.
So, Mark, kuan, 8 o'clock. We did left.
We're getting good, didn't we?
Mm.
We said we want to leave at 8 and it's now...
Oh, it's same hours.
Look at the time clock.
8 o'clock lagi.
Just in case you just know we're risking it, the traffic.
Yeah, I know.
Better to be early than...
Kasi nanggawas na aking muta. Kay lakon man ako kanina, oy. Last night, I cried. Every time I think about it, it's like my emotion is going up.
Is it? Oh,
How
you
much
feel-
more when I'm in the airport and think I will be like, this is it.
When you land in Cagayan, and you know that you're on the same piece of land and your family's on.
I'm so excited. 7:59 pa lang dito pala, oy. Hala, it changed to the time in the...
Well, we didn't take it back, did we? Remember
Oh
we
yeah, because it's summertime this time
thought,
now.
oh, it's been an hour
Ah.
out.
Ang aking cellphone nandito, hindi ko ito na-charge kagabi. You know what happened last night? Huh?
Oh.
I was cleaning and then I'm thinking it's all
In a
already.
quarter of a mile, at the roundabout, take
all
the second
already.
exit
Busy kay
and
na
stay
imong
on
driver,
Southern
huwag mo
Distributor
kausapin.
Road, Spotty Road.
Spotty Road. Ang aking kuan. I was thinking, the buyog-buyog in the Ilzin. Ah! Nako sweets! Uy! Bahala, parang buyog. Laki-laki. I thought it's already. And then, all the vlogs that I save in my phone, it's taking my memory. And I forgot to transfer it in my laptop. So I take it all back again. And my phone
Exit the
and
roundabout
everything.
onto Southern Distributor Road.
Are you okay?
In 800 feet,
Oi, done now?
Meadows roundabout, take the first exit
Oi,
and
it's
stay on Southern
empty.
Distributor Road, Spotty Road.
It's empty. It's empty now? Yeah? Did you enjoy it? Jessica still have.
Oh, I didn't bring a rubbish bag.
Exit
No.
the roundabout
It's
onto
okay,
Southern
just put it
Distributor
there.
Road.
Are you okay? Do you want me massage your kuan neck?
I'm a motorway, yeah.
A motorway?
Continue on Southern Distributor Road for half a mile.
Uy, ganito ako. Abangan ninyo yung ating vlog sa Pilipinas. Kay, dadalhin ko kayo sa sapa. I'll put this one. Kay, para makita nyo yung ating mga ganap doon. First time ko ito umuwi since balik-balik sa baan ni Siri. Oy, first time ko ito umuwi ever since. It's my first time, no? Going back Philippines since I went Thailand.
10 years.
I was thinking 5 years from now.
When did you leave? 2005?
No, oy, not
2015,
5.
I mean.
Nine.
14.
2015. It's not
2015.
15.
I knew you, started going with you in 2015 November.
Is it?
So maybe
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 24,
10 years next year, is it?
Exit the roundabout onto Ringland Way.
25. Yeah.
In a quarter of a mile, at Hartridge Farm Road roundabout, take the second exit and stay on Ringland Way, Southern Distributor Road.
Chocolate.
It's coconut.
Yeah, it's nice coconut.
Yeah, I left Philippines, but I didn't see my brother for almost 10 years or 10 years. I'm not.
Oh yeah, you never saw your family, did you?
Yeah. Because remember, I stayed with my aunt. You si Auntie ba, yung nandito sa UK, si Auntie.
Exit the roundabout onto Ringland
I
Way.
stayed with her, yung na-upload
Continue on
ako.
Ringland Way for 1 mile.
But why is it like that?
You share with Jenny, ha? Just eating bounty, honey.
It's yummy.
Uy, serious kay si Jenny. Are you okay, Lala? Yeah? You just sleep if you want to sleep, okay? And you, Jessica? Are you okay, JJ? You want to open that? Huh? No?
Let me find. Try first. No,
Eh, gusto nilang kumain ito, oy. Ay, susinday.
I found that, so I wanted to eat it.
You want to eat this as well, Jenny? No? Yes. Huh?
If she like coconut, she might want to eat it. Just make me
In half a mile,
Is it? It's
Easy Road
coconut.
roundabout, take the
Coconut.
second exit and stay on Ringland Way,
Coconut don't
Southern
make you
Distributor
Oh, good.
Road.
Jessica is not feeling warm. You have your jacket on. Are you feeling warm? Just take it off, okay? Tell mommy and daddy.
Mommy, look, it says bouncy.
Yeah, it's bounty.
It says bouncy on the chocolate.
Okay, oy. Magpahulay muna ako ng konti. Tapos mamaya, babalik ako mamaya kay ito 4 hours pa itong biyahe namin. Lisod naman 4 hours. I-on ko kayo always dito. Naka-on. Yes? Oh. Give Jenny some? No, she don't
Exit
want.
the roundabout onto Ringland
You don't
Way.
want?
In a quarter
Why?
of a mile,
Are you
at
still
Quarter
sleepy? You can go to
roundabout,
sleep.
Take the fifth exit onto the M4 slip road to London, Chepstow.
Mm-hmm.
She think that
I hear the song you sing as you wake up my soul today. I feel the hope when your sun shines on my face. Oh, I'll wake up with your grace while the moonlight's still fading away. I see your mercy coming with the day. Oh, yeah. My prayer is simple, God.
So maagang maaga, sabi ko sa inyo magbalik ako mamaya pero mayroon pa akong sasabihin eh. Magpunta pa tayo ng 25 minutes. Kanina maagang maaga ako nagising 4 o'clock. Ang aga kong nag-pray talaga na sana okay yung aming biyahe, sana i-guide tayo every time, every day, malaking blessings. Naiyak ako, tumulo yung aking luha. Naiyak ako, sabi ko, Lord, malaking blessings na yung everyday na nakakagising tayo. Everyday, diba? Extension sa ating life. Sabi ko na nag-pray talaga ako na okay yung biyahe, lahat-lahat magiging okay. Yung mga tao na makakasama natin or makakasalamuha natin sa Pilipinas, mga driver ng taxi, lahat-lahat na lahat ay okay. Kay sabi sa mga balita at sabi ko, I hope na mag-inom tayo maraming tubig. Kay nakita ko din sa balita na mayroong namatay dahil sa heat wave, dahil sa sobrang init, so na heat stroke. So yun, pinag-pray ko talaga lahat, yung ating mga health, lahat very important talaga. Nandito na kami sa makusog-kusog na dagandagan. Kusog-kusog na dagandagan. Ito na tayo. Ayan. Ito pala yung ating day. Wala pang sunlight. Hindi pa dumating. Hindi pa lumabas yung sunlight. So,
Cover me under your wings. You hear my voice and you know my every need. Oh, you see my hopes and dreams, but you have in store far better.
I did, right? Did you remember, honey?
What?
I put the sling bag of Irene, the one with the phone, in the other bag. Did you see it yesterday? Hoy! Patay na limtad to.
But I haven't seen it around, so...
No, I think it's inside. I remember I put it inside.
Normally I've been seeing it around, but it's not around, is it?
Yeah. Meron kasi akong surprise kang ayin. So yung aking, doon ko na ito sa inyo ikwento pag nasa Pilipinas na ako, para ang ating mga surprise doon na malaman. Meron akong binili para sa kanya, which is matutuwa talaga siya. Tapos palaging nagtatanong, ano bang surprise? Ano bang surprise? Anong surprise? Bakit hindi sabihin? So ang nangyari nito, si mama at ako nagdrama-drama kami na mayroong uuwi na friend ni mama, may pinadala kami, pero madami akong binili para sa kanila na hindi nila alam. So magiging surprise talaga, na whole talaga yung ating ito dito, yung ating science na Inday Ilchin. Ano yan dyan? Uy, lumalabas na yung araw. Excited din ba kayo? At last guys, hindi na talaga ninyo masasabi sa akin na puro ka naman lang damgo Inday Ilchin, wala mang natutupad sa lahat ng sinasabi mo. At least ngayon matutupad na yung ating mga pangharap na mga damgo-damgo ni Inday Ilchin, na naiiyak sa Inday Ilchin kay magdamgo-damgo ra, dreaming na wala naman sa action. So ngayon makikita na talaga natin yung Pilipinas, makakauwi na talaga tayo, at saka makakahag ko na yung aking mga kapatid, makikita ko na yung ating mga pamilya doon. So marami akong mga dinala at I hope na happy sila, magiging happy ang lahat, magiging okay ang lahat. So yun lang muna ang sasabihin na Inday Ilchin, dahil ako ay mag-rest muna. Kay bakit? Ayan, dito na kami. Dito na yung ating biyahe, in ano na to siya, pa London na ito. Ayan London Bridge is falling down. Pa London na kami. Sana niyo hindi naman nasabtan. Para naman kang sirang radyo Inday. Biyahe namin 4 hours. So I hope ipag-pray nyo kami na safe yung aming biyahe, at maraming salamat sa inyo. Subaybayan ninyo yung ating vlog sa Philippines, and hopefully ma-tour ko kayo doon, matuwa kayo sa aking ipapakita doon sa inyo, and hopefully balik-balik na yun siya Inday ay para na yun kang sirang radyo diyan. Ano yung aking utak ngayon? Uy, kanang parang yes?
And there it says London Bristol. Look.
Yeah, London Bristol. We're going to London, to the airport. Are you excited to see the airport? Yeah? Are you excited? Yes?
Is London near Bristol?
No, Bristol is far from London. We're still
Yeah, so why does it say
Because London is past Bristol.
London past Bristol.
It's
Daddy
Bristol
said.
first and then London is keep going.
The Bristol, you know that long bridge? Yeah, and then we go down to London. It's still quite far. So if you're sleepy, if you're tired, just go sleep, okay? Alright?
No.
No. Oh, patay, honey. No.
Stay.
Quiet na quiet si Inday natin, oh. Journey, ikaw na?
We did fight.
No, you're not fighting. That's very good of you.